Today, we're talking about CVE 2025-0938, a vulnerability affecting the Python standard library's URL parser functions. This issue revolves around improper input validation that could lead to unexpected behavior and possibly privilege escalation in certain Python applications. The vulnerability impacts multiple versions of the Python programming language provided by the Python Software Foundation. Specifically, it affects CPython versions below 3.12.9, between 3.13.0 and 3.13.2, and versions preceding 3.14.0A4. This includes some common distributions like Fedora 40 and 41 and various SUSE Linux Enterprise releases. The vulnerability is identified as CVE-20, which signifies improper input validation. This type of flaw occurs when software does not properly validate input, allowing attackers to affect program execution through unexpected commands or inputs. The problem lies in the Python standard library functions urllib.parse URL split and URL parse. These functions accepted domain names with square brackets, which are only valid for IPv6 and IPv future host addresses, according to RFC 3986. This mismatch in parsing can result in vulnerabilities such as privilege escalation, particularly when the URLs are processed differently by other specification-compliant parsers. In conclusion, it's critical for developers and system administrators using affected versions of Python to update their systems promptly. Security advisories have already been released by Fedora and SUSE to address this issue. Ensuring your systems are using the latest patch will mitigate the risks associated with CVE 2025-0938.